Hello again, everyone. Mark Ritchie with Virginia Rider Magazine, and today we're in Pendleton County, West Virginia, and we're going to take a ride on Thorn Creek Road, which follows, for the most part, this beautiful creek. And the scenery is absolutely stunning. It's a great road. Doesn't have a whole lot of signage as far as maximum safe speed signs and arrows in the corners. A lot of hairpin corners, maybe one or two guardrails with steep drop-offs, so it's really a lot of fun. I call it a gem. So sit back and enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching Virginia Rider Magazine. And we're off like a herd of turtles. It was sunny this morning. I caught a little rain headed over Shenandoah Mountain where Reddish Knob is. Today we're testing out the brand new Purple Panda lav mic, so hopefully that'll solve some of the audio issues I've been having. Wendy is in fall trim with all of her vents closed. And it's 68 degrees, overcast skies. If the sun was out, it would be really warm, but it's not. It's trying to emerge through the clouds, but they're calling for rain tomorrow and the following day, so I think we're pretty much done for as far as the sun goes. And I see another vehicle, which is a bit of a rarity here. It's a Honda Pioneer. I used to sell those. Everyone I sold, the owners loved. Lots of gear changes, lots of braking. Like I say, there's a few hairpin corners. This being one of them. There's a nice walk bridge. There's a few of those too. But I like to take it a little slow around those corners, because sometimes there'll be a pickup truck pulling a trailer that'll be over the imaginary center line. It's great if you have a passenger taking pictures, because there's a lot of technical parts to this road that you really have to stay focused on. And if you have a pillion taking pictures, you can go back later and it's almost like experiencing the ride another time, because there's a lot of stuff that you miss by paying attention to the road. It's great fun heading either way. Going this way is a little bit more hair-raising because of the hairpin turns with the steep drop-offs. The creek is predominantly on the rider's right. And here's one of a couple of guardrails and a little roller coaster section here. There will be some rocks in the road from time to time. It's another thing that's a bit of a potential hazard. often can see deer on this road as well. Even had a squadron of geese flying along the creek as I was flying next to them, like I was their wingman or something. That was kind of cool. Just, we've had some rain, so the creeks are pretty full, and a lot of cascades appearing. There's one right there. I don't know if the GoPro got it. I think this is my Camelback, which is a little bit more fun going the opposite direction. Woo! It's not as steep headed this way. It's not as much of a drop off. Watch out, squirrel. Try to give them as much of an advantage as I can. You never know what's headed the other way, so pull off area. Oh, there's a deer. What a treat that is. Hey, mama. Catching a drink. Hey, the sun popped out for a second. And that was a tree down. I really hope this microphone's working out. Nothing like trying to talk over wind noise. More stunning views of Thorn Creek. Another roller coaster section. Imagine having to plow this after a snowstorm. Just huge drop-offs. Here's some rocks. Another hairpin. Really smooth pavement too, which makes sections like this extremely fun. You can really stick it into the corner and not get a whole lot of bounce. So someone would take this as an alternative if they were traveling from, say, Staunton to Franklin. And we did a video earlier on Crummett's Run, so this would be the portion of that leg. So you would, if you wanted to take an alternate route, you could take Sugar Grove up to Crummett's Run to Doe Hill Road to Moyers Gap Road, and then Thorn Creek would take you all the way to 220 just south of Franklin. And we're approaching the end. What'd you all think of that ride? That's like I say, a gem in my book. I just love the scenery. I love all of the technicality of the road, all the gear changes, the brakes. You might want to do that one towards the beginning of the ride. Depending on how hard you're getting it, it could wear you out. I know it has me a time or two. There's a 4-H campground up here on the left. They have picnic tables, so if you go into Franklin and you want to grab something to go, this is a good spot to picnic at. Thorn Spring Park. Another cool rock formation. There's an old historic mill here on the right. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed Thorn Creek Road. Thanks as always for the likes, subscribing, and sharing. It really helps the channel out as we grow and develop. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again everyone for watching Virginia Rider Magazine. Cheers.